Hello, you guys. Hi, this is Weltha. Hi, you guys. Okay, you guys, so today I'm just here relaxing in my bedroom. Just got the day off, so I'm relaxing and trying to get rid of this cold that I have. But okay, you guys, so today I just want to drop by. Well, I'm relaxing right now because I went to the post office earlier and I checked my post office box and I got a free gift and I want to share it with you guys. So right now I'm just relaxing, having my day off from work, so I don't have to go to any job today. And today I'm just working on my YouTube. So I'm just relaxing, you guys. But I wanted to share this gift with you guys that I got. So I got this in the P.O. box today, you guys. And it is, da-da-da-da, drum rolls. It is mouthwash. It's some whitening mouthwash, you guys. And I love anything that's gonna get my teeth white. So I thank the company for this. Thank you guys. Thank you for sending me this mouthwash. I love anything that has to do with your teeth. So any companies out there watching, I love anything that has to do with your teeth. So send them to me. Okay, so this is the name of the company, guys. The name of the company is Carefor, Carefor. Okay, and this is some mouthwash. Okay, and they say it's a mild mint flavor. It's alcohol free. That's great. No dyes, no colors, no burning. Thank God. And it rebuilds your enamel. Wow, that's great. Okay, and this pack has 30. It says it has 30 packs of mouthwash. Wow. So it must be like the 30 little mini packs of mouthwash in here. So I'll give you a closer look. You see that? Carefor. Okay? That's the name of the company. And this is the mouthwash. Alright, you guys? So check them out, you guys. Alright? Okay, I haven't tried it yet, you guys. But I will be trying this for the next week. And I will let you guys know how it works, okay? Because I don't want to say that it's great if it's not great. I'm not, you guys know I am honest. If it don't work, I will let you know. If it works, I'll let you know, because I am an honest person. And I would not do a product and say that it's good if it wasn't good, okay? So I'm going to try this, and I will let you guys know in like a week or so. I will do an update on this mouthwash and let you guys know. Maybe I'll put the update in the description of this video or on my community post. But I will do an update in about a week and a half or a week, 2 weeks, no longer than 2 weeks, okay? But I will do an update and let you guys know how this mouthwash works for me and if I liked it or not, okay? But today I got it, so I thank the company for sending me this mouthwash. And again, you guys, the name of this company is Carefor, Carefor. And this is some whitening mouthwash that I'm going to be trying for the next week. And I'll let you guys know if my teeth get whiter, okay? All right, thank you guys. And hold on, let's open it up. I'm gonna open it and let you guys see how the packs look, okay? Hold on. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna try to open up this. And again, you guys, it has 30 packs in here. So that's a lot, huh? I thank you, Carefor, for sending me this mouthwash. And I'm anxious to try it. Okay, I'll show you guys another closer look. This is it. Okay, that's the mouthwash. Okay, and I will leave a link for this mouthwash in the description, so if you guys want to order some. Okay, all right, so, and it's sold on Amazon, you guys. Oh my God, look at this. This is nice. Oh, wow. Hold on, you guys. Let me show you. Oh, thank you. Look at this. I have 30 packs of mouthwash. I've never used mouthwash in a pack before, but I'm anxious to try it, you guys. So I will be letting you guys know how it works, and I really hope it works well, because I love me some anything that's for your teeth. I love any teeth products. So send me all the teeth products, you guys. You hear me, you brands out there? All the brands out there. I love teeth products. So send me any teeth products that you have, and I will do a review on them. So thank you. All right. So I will give you guys an update in a week. Let me show you a closer look. Look at that. 30 packs. Isn't that nice, you guys? Look. 30 packs of mouthwash. That's so good. Okay. A pack for each day of the month, right? So in 2 weeks, I will put an update of how it went, and if I liked it, and if it worked. Okay? So I will give you guys the update soon. So keep a lookout. Okay, so that is my review for this mouthwash, you guys. And I would like to thank the company Carefor for sending me this mouthwash, and I will be trying it, and I will give you my honest opinion in about a week. Okay? All right, thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully I get more products and I can do more reviews for you guys, okay? But I do have a juicer review coming up also, so stay tuned for that one.